Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video you will learn how to do reset app preferences in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the settings of your tablet here. Then go to system here, and here select reset options, and here you will find reset app preferences. Just click on it and click on reset apps. This will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, any permissions restrictions. You will not lose any app data. Okay. If you are sure, click on reset apps so that reset app preferences will be done. Yes, it has been done. In this way you can easily do reset app preferences in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.